In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to export Jira issues to either Excel or Google Sheets. To do that, you're going to click on Filters up at the top, then click on View All Issues, and you're going to filter out the issues that you want to export, right? So let's say I only want to export my issues from the web development project. I would select that, and then you have two options. You have this export option, which does give you the ability to export it to Excel, but the one that you're going to use is actually this one. You're going to click on Apps, and you're going to choose either Google Sheets or Microsoft Excel. The reason why I recommend to use this over the export option is because sometimes, not always, when you export it to Excel, it doesn't export it correctly. Okay, this happens, at least to me, at least 60% of the time. So just to be on the safe side, you want to use Apps, again, Sheets, or Microsoft Excel.